Supreme Court says it will not interfere in the release of the 3 student activists. In fact, says their release has been subject to final order. In fact, adds that the way UAPA has been interpreted by the Delhi police in the case has to be looked into. Meenakshi joining us for more details here. Meenakshi, if you can take us through what the top court has said.
Well, yes, you see, this was a matter which clearly the Delhi police was mighty uncomfortable with, especially with the High Court going ahead and granting bail, and not just that, also making some extremely terse observations critical of the Delhi police. So immediately appeal was filed in the Supreme Court. Immediate hearing was also granted by the Supreme Court today, where the solicitor for the Delhi police argued as to how 56 persons died, including many police officers and hundreds injured in the Delhi riots. However, the Supreme Court, like you rightly mentioned, is of the prima facie opinion that the UAPA could not have been interpreted as its constitutionality was not challenged. It was only a bail matter, and therefore the Supreme Court has gone ahead and issued notices to the 3 accused in this case, which is Natasha, Asif and Devangana. They've been asked to file counter affidavit in 4 weeks' time. Meantime, the challenge judgment of the Delhi High Court shall not be treated as a precedent by any of the parties before any court. This is what the Supreme Court has noted, and it has clarified that the release of the accused will not be interfered with at this stage. So while the Supreme Court is not interfering with the bail release order of the Delhi High Court, it is also saying that the order of the Delhi High Court shall not be relied upon as a precedent by these student activists in any pending matter. So clearly this is a sort of a mixed bag for Delhi police. If they were hoping for immediate intervention of the Supreme Court to cancel or stay the bail order of the Delhi High Court, which permitted for the release of these activists, that has not come by.
All right, Meenakshi, thank you so much for joining us with those details.